That's the most beautiful sandwich I've ever seen. Moon goats. We're gonna hit up 2 spots. One is Bando and the second one is the Concrete Factory. Concrete Factory comes last because it's most likely the things will get destroyed there. So starting out safe, warming up, and then moving on. Let's go.
Down all the doors, guarantee you, boy, if I ask for it, it's gotta be real big. I gotta make it just for my kids and for their kids' kids. That's wealth years and years. Promise my brother soon as he out and finish this bid, we finna do it bigger than anybody ever did. The odds is real big, jobs that's real big. Satan trying a little, my God is real big. Stayed up on the grind on the cars is real big. I gotta do it big, the only way that I can live. And I promise I'm trying to. Before you count me out, homie, let me remind you, they was blocking the shine. Now I think it's my time to. Counting them dollar signs like lights, they'll blind you. Let me rewind to back when I was broke and I couldn't acquire 2 cents, and now I got 2 wrists. They was sleeping on me, homie, must have got too big. Call my phone, I be like, who this? Damn right, hell yeah, I'm brand new. Smell like can too. I'm fresh forever like canned food. Try and tell me what I can't do. I wanna see the world, my vision on Shamu. That mean I got goals that's real big, foes that's real big.
First spot done. I think I got 1 line in, but of course a lot of distractions this time over again. Let's see what the next one brings. This is the first stop. Dead.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. Leaving while you leaving, leave me lonely when I need you. Lips so cold, you left me bleeding. Why you gamble with my feelings? I'm bleeding. Say you wanna show me. Show me your love, you're like a drug, baby. You got me so faded.
Here, GoPro mount, cameras are right, no antenna. I have lucky number 3. Broken. broken, and broken. I think I got some stuff to fix, so that's gonna be my evening.
Fight! Fight!
Well, we do! We like this sport. We love it. Well, we do. Well,